Finally guys, after around 42 days we received the iPad Pro 12.9 inch M1 256GB model. So let's start. Yeah, so wow, just amazing. So this is the M1 iPad Pro. So yeah, this is the M1 iPad Pro. Wow, this looks gorgeous. So as you can see, this is a 256GB model, 12.9 inch, Wi-Fi 5th generation. So let us open the box. So as Apple, we have this kind of pull tabs. Oops. So yeah, let me open the box then. I've heard that the box is a bit difficult to open on the iPad series. Let me try that. It's sliding down well. Ooh, beauty. Yeah, so this is the iPad. Let me put it aside. Wow, this is so thin, man. What we have in the box? Okay, some paper outlets. Let me see what we got, like iPad things and this big huge Apple stickers. Wow, this is looking nice. Keep it aside. We have like a 20-watt charger. Oh, this is heavier than I thought. This is heavier than my OnePlus charger actually. Even that's a 30-watt one, it's heavier. And this is a Type-C to Type-C cable. So let me keep this aside. And this is the iPad Pro, and this is an engraved one. So this is, you can see, that's my name, Shubhajit's iPad. And let me open this wrap. So yeah, this is the iPad. Wow, this is like gorgeous. So let me do one thing. Let me apply the temper glass, then we are gonna come back. So after a long time, the product reached to me. I applied the temper glass. I hope it applied well. I think it looks good. Let's turn on. Ooh, the Apple logo shows up. And guys, this is a mini LED one. So as you can see, the Apple logo is looking absolutely fabulous. It looks like all the lights are turned off beside that Apple logo. Wow. Hello. Swipe up to open. Text, don't share, two-tone display, see without two-tone, with okay, the bluish comes on and with it bluish tint, and this is kind of a yellowish tint. So currently I want to use okay, dark mode looks amazing. let me first go with the bright mode only. Welcome to iPad Get Started. Wow, this is looking amazing, man. Just spectacular. So let me turn on the iPad, tilt it. So yeah, so this is the iPad Pro 12.9-inch variant. So finally guys, entire setup is done on my iPad. So you can see I have done all the setup, downloaded some necessary app which I can show you guys. So yep, so currently it's on my case. I will put a separate video for this case as well. So yeah, this is my home screen. As you can see, I've downloaded some of the apps and this wallpaper just look absolutely amazing. So as told before also, this iPad is an M1 iPad. As you can see on their website, the M1 iPad Pro, this is that one. So I bought the 256 GB variant, and due to some education discount I got it at a cheaper prices, around 1,03,500, about that range. And okay, now let's go with the biggest change, which is the display. So this is a mini LED display, and let me show you how good it is. So I'm not turning on the sound currently because maybe any kind of issues can appear. So guys, just look at the black levels. Like you can see like how bright the scenes are going. So like my display is going so dim at the rest of the areas. You can see it's going super bright, and the HDR looks just simply amazing on this display. Okay, I won't gonna let you see this video throughout and waste your time, because this video like is shown by everyone. Okay, now let's go with some sound video. So now let's jump into a music video, and you can hear how loud the speakers are.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. You're my shadow to the sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Wow. So my god, it just filled up the entire room, which is just simply amazing. Like it destroys each and every laptop speakers in the market. And this is quad speakers, as you can see, 2 on this side and 2 on this side. So, yep, as you can see, it's a huge tablet guys, so it's very difficult for me to operate using this, and I'm shooting it with my phone, so it's the area is very narrow for me to shoot it. I'm trying my best to show you some things. Okay, apart from that, this is a huge display, as I have told many a times. And also this display is really heavy actually guys. So currently it's around 640 gram or so, and with the case included it goes up to around 850 gram, which is really heavy. And I bought the 256 GB variant. Let me show you that. General about, and yeah, as you can see, this is a 256 variant, and from that I'm having around 239 GB because I've downloaded some of the apps over here. Also this iPad supports Wi-Fi 6. As you can see, the software version is 14.6, so it's running on 14.6 and no updates are there currently. iOS 15 is coming nearby, so we will install that and we'll see how good everything is. And also guys, I like to show you some apps where you wanna watch movies and videos. So like Netflix. So Netflix, you can see as this is the, you can see this is Dolby Vision, as you can see over here. and like this movie is also having Dolby Vision. So Netflix has all Dolby Vision and it works fine. Prime Video has some issues. I think like this movie is an HDR movie, but it is only showing UHD over here, so need to check why it's showing UHD. So that's about these two apps. So you can enjoy all your most awaited shows in this iPad, and it will just look stunning with the new mini LED display. And this has a center stage feature, like it follows wherever I go. This is an amazing feature, guys. So this is really good for currently pandemic situation, all at your homes, and like this center stage is just amazing. So it can do that because the front camera is a 122-degree field of view, so it can record in a huge perspective and it narrows down to a point where the person is moving. So yeah, that's just amazing. And the back camera is unchanged, so it's a 12 megapixel back with a 10 megapixel ultra wide camera. At the back, both supports a 4K 60 and Smart HDR3. I would like to show you a small thing in which this clips can do. I just loved it. So like, just see how beautiful it is. Like, look at the room, like it's glittering up the entire room. It is really amazing, guys. You need to try this because that is just simply amazing. And that's all, guys, for this video. I will be bringing in much more video for this iPad. As I am very new to this ecosystem, I need to learn a bit about this iPad, and will let you guys know about each and every stuff. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a wonderful day, and please subscribe and like my channel. Bye bye.